participating groups representing high school and integrated school within the municipality of Bonsong. Each group shall be composed of a minimum of 50 and a maximum of 80 members or performers, including dancers and propsmen. The nature of the competition. The Sadukan Festival Competition will showcase the rich culture heritage and unity of the people of Bonsong through festive dancing and colorful performances. The competition will have two segments: street dancing parade performed along the designated route, dancing showdown, the final presentation to be performed at the municipality of Bonsong in Baywatch area. The total score from the street dancing and dance showdown will be combined to determine the overall winners. Presentation must embody the essence of Sadukan Festival, highlighting Bonsong cultures, history, traditions, and values of unity, cooperation, and thanksgiving. Choreography should reflect the story and spirits of the Bonsonganos as a people and community subsidy. Ginpahuban na ako. Alright. May dahil na subsidy ng 20,000 pesos. Yes, to help defray expenses for costume, props, and other materials. Judging and decision. Judges shall be composed of experts in dance, arts, and culture. Performances will be judged according to the criteria specified in Part 2. The final score will be based on the combined results of the street dancing and the dance showdown. The decision of the Board of Judges is final and irrevocable. Uutrohon namon to our participants. The decision of the judges is final and irrevocable. Hindi na pwedeng bawiin. Alright? Penalties and disqualification. Exceeding the time limit by more than 1 minute will result in a 5-point deduction of the total score. Any performance with vulgar, offensive, or political content will be automatically disqualified. Use of fire, pyrotechnics, or dangerous stunts is strictly prohibited. The use of live these live animals, as well as children below 7 years old, are strictly prohibited. Part 2. Here's the specific guidelines for our street dancing. The dance parade is progressive for exhibition ritual performances. The contingents are only given 2 minutes for this exhibition in 3 designated areas as judging points. Group will perform along the designated parade route accompanied by their chosen music. Performances should maintain energy, synchronization, and audience engagement throughout the route. Costumes and props must be vibrant, creative, and culturally relevant. Emphasis should be given to the choreography that best depicts the Sadukan Festival theme. Each group is required to bring and use their own speaker for the street dance. The street dance will be held this day, December 6, during the civic parade. The dance showdown final presentation. This is it. Performance duration. 7 minutes only to include entrance and exit. Each group will perform a final routine at the municipality of Bonsong here in Baywatch for the dance showdown segment. Groups will choose their own music for the performances. Performances must display creativity, coordination, and storytelling aligned with the festival theme. Use of props and costume must be enhanced the presentation without obstructing movement or posing safety risk. The dance showdown will be held this day. And this is the criteria for the showdown. Performance, precision, coordination, alignment, projection, rhythmic, and special effect, 20 points. Choreography, creativity, artistry of the dance step, blocking and style expression, 15 points. Festival concept and thematic interpretation includes clarity, message, the quality of movement and musicality relevant to the concept and theme, 15 points. Costume and props, 10 points. Overall artistic impact, 10 points. Yes, a total of 30 and 70 is 100%. And for the dancing parade, performance showmanship, 10 points. Choreography, 10 points. Costume and props, 5 points. Progressive dance for parade performances, 5 points. That's 30, and another 70 is 100%. Alright, here's the prizes. Our first prize will receive 50,000 pesos. Second prize, 25,000 pesos. Third prize, 15,000 pesos. And the fourth prize is 10,000 pesos. Again, each group has a subsidy of 20,000 pesos. Ano sabi? 20,000. Alright? Alright. Mapa-announce kami ha. We have our timer for your presentation. Are we ready, Kalapi? Are we ready? How about the audience? Are you ready? Are you ready? How about here? Are we ready? Are we ready? Before anything else, I would like to introduce to you the board of judges. Alright? Ladies and gentlemen, our first judge is a choreographer of Sadukan Festival and a member of choreographer in the Spar Summer Cultural Dance, the dance troupe member of the Philippines Folk Dance Society. The dancer, a dance choreographer, the awardee in dance choreographer in the national competition. Ladies and gentlemen, a graduate of secondary education, major in MAPI at summer colleges. Let's give a round of applause. A round of applause to our Sadukan sinisiring inihiya nga asa na inihiya. Kilala na naton inihiya. Hangatanan, hiya ang nagpadaog hanto aton hin twice ha. Dua consecutive year. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause, Sir Jeffrey Dakotanan. Our second judge is also a dancer. Yes, a dancer. Been part of the Mutsum Sadukan since 2002. Elementary, secondary, and even college. Isa siya sa mga dancer dito ng Mutsum. Ladies and gentlemen, an outstanding school head from graduated master's degree, of course. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our principal, isa na sa kayong principal in the district of Mutsum. Ladies and gentlemen, proven and tested. One of the dancers, Madam Sina Pumasen Sartiga. Our next judge, what are achievements and recognition? Oo, but we've been together for many times. My God, kami baya hindi. Of course, a graduate of Doctor of Education, major in Educational Administration, our Sangguniang Bayan Secretary, ladies and gentlemen, one of the singers and dancers of Mutsum in terms of culture. Let's all welcome a 38 years old, wow, and a bold star, sorry, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Reno Jose B. Cabuya. Our fourth judge, a dance choreographer, coach in the first in Count Zumba, an instructor, a dance fitness member of the Genesis D-Champs. Yes, the four-time champion of Step High competition, the champion of freestyle battle, the Step High 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, a graduate of electrical at Samar State University from Canlapuas, Catbalogan. At 32 years old, let's give a round of applause to Mr. Raymond T. Hernandez. Our very own, a graduate of Mutsum Central Elementary School from Mutsum National High School, the national performer during the SUC 2023 at Iloilo City, former member of the SSU Cultural Dance Troupe, former SSU varsity dancer, a choreographer, the Regional Festival of Talents Dance Competition Champion 2024, the ASEAN Cultural Performer from 2022 to 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, a Bachelor of Physical Education graduate at Samar State University. Yes, a very young talent from Butsong, born on September 24, 2022, at 23 years old. Let's give a resounding applause of Mr. Alvin C. Takanay. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we're all set for our competition. The Sadukan Competition 2025. Let's give a round of applause to Kalapinhon Festival.
Ang barangay Kalapi usa nga pinakapropulsibo nga barangay han bungtuhan mo tiyong. Inapapalibutan hin mga guba, kapatagan yan katubigan, kundiin malaya nga nakakaguma, kumuusa nga sentro han panginabuhi, han mahiyong-hiyong nga permi maglipayon nga Kalapinhon. Subay ini nga paguma, kaupod permi ang mga Kalapinhon, ang duruto nga mga panapton nga gamit paguma. Labinagod ang sadok nga pangontra hinuran nga pansalipod hapasuhan adlaw. Sadok nga nagahatag din kusog ha mga parag-uma, ngan mga parag-uma nagahatag din mga duro dilain nga mga produkto para han katawhan. Lugaring umabot ang panahon nga danay hingalimtan ang tradisyon ng mga kapuy-apuyan nga pagbuga. Pagbuga, pag-alay, sano magtanong. Ini ang mag-abi-abi ang mga muukoy sugad ng mga engkanto. Sanglit umabot ang takna nga may ada mga parag-uma nga gin sa sagiban yan gin sa sangkayan. Kaupon hini ang panhitabo, ang pagkusong, ang pagtuuhan, mga pagampuhan, mga Kalapinhon, ang makagarahong nga Diyos, ng mga kasantusan, labinagod, ang mahal nga patrona, Immaculada Concepcion. Gimpaparayaw nga gidadasig ang tribu Kalapinhon in usa nga interpretasyon han sa Dukan Festival. Viva Immaculada Concepcion! Viva! Viva! Viva!